alquiler y me monta en la ruta.
Dímelo, yo.
Par de gatilleros y huele a gran puta.
Hello guys, it's Crypto G here from Get SLED, and let's see what we can do here today on crypto markets. Currently waiting for my setup to form. We'll see how it goes. Have some levels below. And yeah, if you have any questions in the chat, just type them in. Will be awesome thing to answer it. And we'll see, maybe we can catch some live trades here. If everything is right. Just let me post some stuff on IG. Or what is IG?
I was on Bumble and I swiped up. I was on Bumble and I swiped up.
Yeah, wait, let me check some stuff here. Let me check the comment section.
Swipe it. Swipe it. Swipe it. Swipe it.
This is what we do 99% of the time, just waiting for our setup to come in. Don't have any fresh dailies. Nope. It's tested. This is not tested. So we can delete. It's been fucked. Clone. Delete this. Magnets. And this is nicely. Let's go on weekly real quick. Wait, do we have a level here? Oh yeah, damn, we have fresh weekly. That's lit. If you have any questions, type them in and I will be more than glad to answer. Weekly. Yeah. This are not valid anymore. It's a 30-minute. Yeah. No. Single print. Oh, perfect. Dang, look at this. Shit. Shit. All right, this will be a nice ass thing here to long, I guess. Daily NBC, the weekly, and 618 CC setup. That's perfect. Let's check out maybe like that a bit. Let's assume that we escape this range. Not so nice. So. Yeah, would like lead like this probably. Yeah. Early area high. This is nice. Fill the whole gap and come back, retest, reclaim 618 and alien POC and yeah, shoot up. Shoot the fuck up. Can we swept?
Oi, G.
Yo, you're here? What's up, man? What's good?
Nothing much. Just gonna show my chart really quick, and then I gotta do a few things, but I'll be here.
No worries, man.
All right, guys. So yesterday, we were live. I was alone. Well, Jackass came for a little bit, but we had a few targets here. I haven't updated the turning points here on 8, but the target got hit, 78.1 7818, and then we also hit a few targets on 178-162, and also we just right now bounce off double arc 3, and we're going on a turning point 2. A little bit late, but this is not a 1 though. Hold up, let me see what's going on here with turning points. It should be like this. There we go. I'll catch these up 2 minutes, 8 minutes later. But still on the way to 73.80. Still on the pivot point 6 here. 248 still in the kill zone. So still waiting for further development. All right, man. G, I'll switch back to your chart.
All right. Yeah. 1 sec. Yeah. 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 Because these highs, because I don't know. Do you see my live? You can see my live. It will be easier. Because these highs are like unfinished business. We must take them out. Something like this. And I saw there is liquidity at 72,000, 50 million something, and then I would expect the reversal, the real, the thing to happen. Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah, so this is a liquidity there, and we must take it out. No trades for now, like no trades for now. But we do have an order block that is valid on what time frame I'm on? Wait, maybe it's not. No. I was on fucked up time frame or other things. Shit. Nothing really to answer at the moment. We'll see. Like, I want to see the reactions from single prints and whatever, like dailies, weeklies. Oh, and you know what I found? I found a very interesting thing. If you take a fib, right, and pull from the swing low that we had, before, not the low, 62,000 to 200 ish, right, in this low. Then you pull it to the high that we made right now. This the 618 matching with CME gap and daily NPOC is right in the middle of it. So this could be like a nice ass confluence. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's inside of CME gap. And weekly and weekly NPOC matching with 88.6 perfectly. So yeah, send me. On previous week. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah. But is it like PvP showing you like naked points of control too, right? It's like session, but only like you can scale it up. It just didn't hit. And look, I will show you. Didn't like, I don't know, for me it works okay. What do you mean? Just put input like daily or a weekly or a monthly? Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I see, I see. Yeah. So are you gonna go grab some food, right? No worries, bro. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, see you later. Bye.
It's the biggest waste of time you could possibly. They don't have businesses. Yeah, they don't have businesses. I mean, that sounds like something very obvious, but there are millions of people studying business worldwide. Imagine learning kickboxing from a man who can't.
It looks like we're about to get filled on single prints and CME gap, I think. Check it. Nothing crazy. Find some order blocks. Yeah. This might be a 1 if we close this bearish black candle below it with aggressiveness. Sorry. Let's see some altcoins. Nothing crazy, everything looks the same. Alright, we're getting in this inefficiency. We already tapped a bunch of times. This is a weekly. Nope. Even audible here. Only it's a daily one. Yeah. Daily. Yeah. Yeah, it's nothing bullish on Bitcoin at the moment. It's just like, I think we're gonna go sideways for a bit to trap some people. This is what they do. They want you to get trapped. No trade for me yet. No trade for me yet. Have to sit tight. Wait for the opportunity, bruh. For this coin. This is some nice confluence. All right, man. I didn't know that we are live on TikTok. No worries, guys. I will be on TikTok pretty soon. Bro, how do I add text to speech if I ain't fucking, you know what I mean? I'm tuning in, man. Do you have any viewers? Yeah. I see. Oi. It's good, TikTok. Tap the motherfucking screen, man. Tap the motherfucking screen, man. Okay, what is this? Guys, ask some questions. Guys from TikTok, guys from YouTube, whatever. What do you want to see? Do a TA on. Bitcoin been chilling lately.
She's funny.
Bitcoin been chilling lately.
She's funny.
This is daily one. What did I turn it? Okay. Shit, I don't like pepper so much. Shit. Is it really a daily? Let me check. Yeah, so pepper nice for a short. If we come out there, kind of. Yeah. All right, Pepe looks fine. Doge, what about Doge? Change canvas a little bit. Right. Conform. Nothing really crazy. Building liquidity for these coins. Link is looking kind of nice. Finally. Let's go weekly for a second. Perfect backtest. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. It's gonna be an interesting place to short it. Rabbit, this shit is just crazy. This should just shoot flat up. It's flat sky high, man. Nothing real crazy. Might squeeze it short. I'm checking heat map real quick. ILV. Maintenance. Let's go to the top for now. Yeah. That would make sense to short it, I guess. Yeah, looks kind of okayish. Extreme POI. Let's use this. Okay, inversed. I like it. Let's remove this for a second. Take this, switch the color to yellow. I want to see. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. I'd like to break the trend, taking into consideration. Kind of. All right, now, guys, I'm just marking some single prints for the asset to get filled. Yeah. TRU. Bro, if it's like a fucking coin that fucking prices a couple cents, bro, or not even a cent. Bros and stupid coins. TRU. There's nothing here. I don't know if you want to gamble, you can gamble, but I don't like to gamble. I'm actually banned from gambling, so. Why you come up with these stupid coins, man? Like, fucking. There's one. No, wait for retracement. Wait for retracement for value area high, then you can buy. No financial advice. Don't get involved in these stupid coins, guys. These are stupid coins. Usually I don't trade nothing that's at least a 50 cent. I don't like if it's below like whatever 50 cent. I don't trade it. This is just my reference. Wait, did I delete it here? Oh, I'll be okay. Let's set some alerts on this bitch. Okay. Yeah, so this would be 1 to 4. This would be 1 to 7. This would be 1 to 1 to 10, whatever. Mm-hmm. Nothing crazy. Yeah, nothing crazy. BTC guys, I think we will squeeze to 72, 200 because we have like 50 million of liquidity sitting up there. So no trades for me now. So do random flip. Let's start from weekly. Wait, what is this? Up top. Looks like it can be on daily. Weekly. I think it's all the block. Oh yeah, it's on older blocks. So let's put a letter here too. Oh, nobody's watching. What do you mean? Who I'm gonna talk to, man? Like if fucking nobody's commenting, man. Nobody's asking any questions. So what do you mean? No, this is fucking business. This is not entertaining business. Whatever. Yeah, less commenting, bro. Join the live, man. If you have any questions, ask them. Ask some questions, guys. Fuck. It's impossible to retrieve here. I have it on the block there, so if I really go, so yeah, this could be down there. Take this side of one of those. Whatever, bro. To the liquidity here. Let's try to find whatever entry. Too early to say at the moment. Just put alert here. Supply will come down to here. Nothing crazy. People taking profit. Anywhere it's still ready. That is sharp. Thank you for the likes on TikTok. Wait. Getting some bearish action. I might open a short real quick on Bitcoin. Wait. Should I? No, it's not such a big ass move. Have some absorption going on in Bitcoin right now. On the floor. Let's try overlook, I guess. Not really, but I would like to see. But wait, let me check one thing more. And this bearish will get invalidated. Can't push them down. Oh yeah, it just got invalidated. Okay. I speak up. Wait. What did I do to A? LV. Okay. Let's check weekly. Bro, look at this shit. Nice. No levels. Yeah, and you still fucking working at fucking joke. Whatever, like join the fucking live and then we can talk about something. I can't fucking talk to myself all the time, you know, like the fuck, who the fuck am I, stupid man? I ain't no stupid man. Join the fucking live and then we talk, man. Yeah, Jay, come and talk. Talk some shit, like, man, come on. It's easy for you to comment and say, hey, talk, bro. Like, bro, I ain't no clown here, man. I'm fucking businessman, man. I'm a businessman, not a fucking clown. So if you want to fucking clown show, go find something else. Very spamming, man. Bro, come and talk and say that shit fucking on live, man. Fucking what are you fucking Discord fucking Discord G, man? Come and speak that shit to existence into live, man. Like, don't be a bitch. So you're like acting like a bitch here. Talking shit, you know. Everybody can talk shit, you know. Come on, ILV. Get me in to this trade. Bro, these couple days, bro, like fucking boring as fuck, man. You know, shut your ass up. No comments. Bro, don't even fucking like the stream, man. What the fuck you talking about, man? Stupid ass. Nothing bullish or bearish on Bitcoin at the moment. Like, it's just sideways. Sideways. Don't like to find an inch before a short. But I don't know, I don't see this coming. Yo, talk, motherfucker. Talk. Digit the screen, man. What the fuck, man? Pussy up, bro. I like crypto. Let's scan. Who, me? I don't know, man. Like, speak casual English, I guess. What about you? I like crypto. Like, where you from, huh? Where are you from, bro? Don't forget to like the stream, man. Like the stream. Okay, Jake, okay. Get a fucking coffee, Jake. Hey, Seb. Yeah, these guys are trading again. Like, I don't trade again personally, because it's a little bit fucked up for me, because it's really ain't making, for me personally, it ain't making sense to trade again. Like, sense, like, no, I don't find any sense. I find sense in like under things that make sense, like volume profiles, Excel charts, and whatever. Like the things that there is data that you can understand it. But basically, like I don't really understand again. So it's kind of hard. I guess it's not hard, but yeah, of course it is hard. I'd be joking if it wouldn't be hard. Everything is hard in trading. This is daily, right? This is daily too underneath.
What's up, G?
What up, motherfucker? Finally, you're here, man. Like, I'm fucking dying from the boringness.
Why don't you like tokens under 50 cent? We love tokens under 50 cent.
I don't like
know.
tokens under 50 cents.
I love
just
tokens
don't.
under 50 cents.
You see, there is two types of people, guys. People that like tokens under 50 cents and people that don't like tokens under 50 cents. I don't know. I just don't like them. That's it. Like, fuck them.
All right, what are we looking at here, Red? What's your chart say? What are you looking at? Bitcoin,
bro,
USDT.
Yeah, like Bitcoin. I don't know. I want Bitcoin to come lower. I don't see any, and we are ranging at the moment currently, so there is nothing bullish or bearish at the moment, which is like going sideways. But I'm expecting, like, if we're getting this exhaustion, like on Excel charts, we're gonna just like go down to fill these single prints, and maybe we will be lucky enough to fill the CME gap with the daily NPOC. We'll have this. So yeah, there's two possibilities here at the moment. It's really hard to say from which levels we're gonna see the reaction, because you have weekly level right under this last single print and daily NPOC, and have the CME gap inside its 618 and like CC setup kind of, and value area high of this mini range. I would look more of the CME gap actually to take an entry on in daily NPOC, and we have weekly below, but I don't look. I just don't see it coming that low.
There's a big old gap on CME, isn't there?
Yeah, boy, it's a big gap.
Yeah, CME gap will get nailed for sure. But we are testing our last all-time high. So if it goes down in there to that CME gap or that lower range right above the CME gap, yeah, that would be a fantastic place to look at and increasing your Bitcoin if you're holding, looking at possibly a long trade. But I think that we're going to take this high out again, and we're going to keep going before the weekend comes. We've got 4 days. We have the halving, next month as well. So you have to remember that.
Plus, sorry for interrupting. We have like some liquidity sitting at 72,200-ish, like about 50 million. So it would make sense to come up first and then go down to take out that liquidity, because right now we don't have nothing really major sitting below us except these levels.
Yeah, 72,500. I think if it takes liquidity
72,200.
Yeah, I think if it takes that
200-ish.
liquidity, it's going to probably, in my opinion only, not Reds, anybody else's, my opinion, I think it's going to test higher into that all-time high that it's made at 73. People are wanting Bitcoin to go crazy, especially with the big money that's been put into it lately. They're wanting to see $100,000 Bitcoin, and it's entirely possible. So yeah, that liquidity, I think you're right, it will get swept. I think there'll be a good position to be made there. I think that gap will get filled. There'll be a good position to be made there. And people that are holding, keep on holding, because right now it's still showing a lot of strength and it's still going up.
Now, to
What
be
do you think?
exact, for the liquidity, 72, 240. So this would match with like whatever setup we and yeah, we have like weekly NPOC there, kind of like a couple $100, like give or take. And like yeah, we are right now at the crucial kind of resistance area, make it or break it, because we're like yeah, we had a 618 almost like 83 786 levels, and we're kind of rejecting it, but I want to see one more squeeze higher and then get a real reaction down. Either we're gonna fill right now these single prints, either we're gonna like squeeze a bit higher to like 72 or so, and then fill all these inefficiencies. This is my take on Bitcoin.
That's right. It's a good take on Bitcoin. I like Crypto says that's not fair on tokens under 50 cents. That's Centus. Did you invest in XRP when it was below 50 cents, Red?
Yeah, XRP is a different thing. Like XRP
No,
is
it's
like
not.
for
It's an asset that was under 50 cents.
Yeah, I mean, I don't trade tokens that it's under 50 cents, but I invest in tokens, like some tokens. I invest tokens that are like $150, $50, $40, $30, like spot holds, But I don't trade tokens that is like below 50, because sometimes just getting mostly fucked. Jake is like trading like all of these low caps, whatever. Like, so yeah, you can talk with him about that, like, or he can show us his chart, like, or whatever. But yeah.
So what are the only what do you trade specifically? Just Bitcoin, or do you trade more than just Bitcoin?
Usually I just pick like a couple coins, like all the time, like, but mostly Bitcoin, because if you ain't doing TA on Bitcoin, then you're gonna get wrecked on altcoins. First Bitcoin, then ETH, then maybe ILV, maybe like ICP a little bit, and whatever. Like I've been trading Doge back in the day, but yeah, fuck Doge and Pepe. No offense on that, man.
So we've got some pretty good news I'm going to pull up here. We've got
what news?
Crypto exchange KuCoin violated anti-money laundering laws, U.S. charges. U.S. federal prosecutors charged crypto exchange KuCoin and two of its founders with violating anti-money laundering laws on Tuesday, saying the exchange operated in the U.S., lied to at least one of its investors about operating in the U.S., and failed to both register with U.S. government entities and maintain anti-money laundering program. KuCoin has gone down. The KuCoin's native exchange token has gone down about 5% since. Do you pay attention to that? You follow that, or what are your thoughts on KuCoin?
Oh, wait, KuCoin.
Me personally,
KuCoin. Yeah, fuck the KuCoin, man.
Yeah, me personally, when KuCoin stopped doing perpetual futures, I left them and went somewhere else. I used to hold money there, and they changed up, and I didn't like the way that they were operating at that point. But this is potentially a big deal here for KuCoin.
I don't know. I just for me, I use Bybit for some spot trades. I use BingX, and
You use BingX?
Yeah, for spot trades. Like there's on Bybit, there is not so many tokens that I need to hold on spot. So I use BingX to buy on spot. Like I don't trade on BingX. I did try to trade stocks or whatever, like S&P, but the fees were so crazy. I just left.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Crypto prices today: Bitcoin above 70,000, Ethereum at 3,600, Solana, XRP, and Pepe gain. Pepe is a very low. I like Pepe. I have made so much money on Pepe, especially in that big crash, and I love those low ones. Where do you see these
comments coming from?
Oh, look at your screen. I'm pulling up the news for you.
Oh, I see.
So the Bitcoin price was up by 4.29, reaching 70,482.4 at the time of writing on Tuesday, 26th. On the other hand, its trading volume spiked 46% to 42.28 billion in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the crypto boasted a market cap of 1.38 trillion. 1.38 trillion is huge. I mean, you can't count to 1.38 trillion single-handedly. It's impossible. That's just the amount of money that's in Bitcoin is just unfathomable. Looking at altcoins, the Ethereum price gained by 4% to 36.34. So Ethereum, I think, has yet to and will hit its all-time high and it'll crush it. I think Ethereum's got a ways to go and it's just lagging a bit. And eventually, I feel that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin, not price-wise, but investment-wise and profit-wise. I think it'll overtake Bitcoin one day soon. So gained 4%, 36.34 at press time with a market valuation of 436 billion, whilst Ethereum saw its trading volume surge by 63%, reaching 20.12 billion. Meanwhile, the Binance coin BNB was up by 1%, reaching $594. In addition, its 24-hour trading volume rose by 24. So what do you think of this, all this good news, all this bullish news for these tokens? Do you think that we still have ways to go on all of them in general? Or are you still thinking that Bitcoin is just going to go down to the gap and keep going, or hit the gap and then go up to all-time highs again and bring these other tokens with it?
What I think, like this is retracement for new all-time highs, like that's it, like we're gonna get some type of retracement, either like from here, either from the gap, because and the essential everything is bullish. The Elliott wave count is bullish, and like on altcoins bullish as fuck at the moment. Been making a lot of bread on altcoins with the boys, like spot.
CFX, I charted for you guys the other day. It nailed the weekly open twice. Went back for, looks like a daily. No, it might be a 30-minute. Drop down has been ranging on the 15-minute, and now it's testing the swing fail high that I called for a couple days ago. What this means is this swing fail high now acts as support, and it's possible people that are in CFX that this could be a bounce up here. Likely not. Likely I could see it coming down in this area, but it is a very high possibility that this is now support on CFX. IVL, I called along on IVL a while ago. I only called it here. It's just taken off. Red, how do you come up with, let's say the Bitcoin here, we'll go back to the daily chart, wants to make another all-time high above 74,000. How do you come up with where it could go on your projections? For instance, if you're in a long, where do you take profits if it goes past 74,000? What do you look at?
Difficult question you asked, but 74,000, right? Like first, I would only short trades that I would look for is at swing failure at 74,000. And then I would see, like most likely, I'm trying to hedge myself all the time at great spots, and like profit taking. Wait, let me just pull the different chart real quick and try to see this. Yeah, might be like that. I don't want to disclose this shit that I have going on, but
like Crypto says, it'd probably take 100 years to count to a trillion. I don't even know if you could do it in 100 years. I mean, I've seen some of those charts where people compare a trillion to a billion to a million to 1,000. It's insane. I mean, a trillion is just almost made up money. It's so crazy.
So 75,000, 76, definitely TP. Then 82,000, definitely a TP. Let me pull like a little bit different thing, bigger time frame.
And then how are you finding these targets though? These definite TPs.
Expansion.
All right, so like a 1.13 and a
1.13 and whatever. Yeah, but I would like it. Shit, I don't know. I think it's not really possible yet, but if we go higher a bit, Like that's 97 now. Yeah, like just use expansions, like you just can't predict like everything. But when you can pull a fib from all time high to all time to bear market low, and just use some different type of fibs. Guys, like Fibonacci, like only way to figure out Elliott wave, whatever, like else. So 1.618 sitting at 100K, and it's like really a psychological level, and some psychological levels too, like equal numbers and whatever, 80K, like 90K, 88K. Like I didn't like believe in these psychological numbers back in the day, but just some people just showed me that, yeah, look at this, red, look at this. I'm like, what? Really? That shit is lit. So yeah, like some psychological numbers is for sure.
Well, I can see 81,802 based on Fibonacci because I'm a strong believer in the 1.618 when you're looking for future extensions. GANFAN
Yup.
does help in that aspect though, because time and prediction is pretty good. If you have your scale right and pulling it from the right places, it can really tell you where those levels are. And I wasn't a huge believer on future unknown price predictions of GAN until this past high when it was called almost within $500 or $1,000 at the top. And so far we've traced 786 and going back down. It's pretty powerful if you know what you're doing there. I think that once you learn the basics of trading, your angles and levels and RSI and MACD and all these silly indicators, once you learn the basics of how the candles work, eventually you should learn every strategy you can. And I would get into GANFAN. I would get into Elliott Wave and Fibonacci and anything you possibly can there. But I listened to your comment earlier about GAN. I don't practice it currently. I will be. I'm studying it, but I am a believer just because it's another level. Fibonacci is levels, and I'm obsessed with just pure hard levels is what I like. But let's look at this chart here real quick. I pulled the Fibonacci from the high to the current low. It's got a 786 retracement as we speak. And like I said, I'm a big fan of the golden pockets being hit. So if we overextend, I can see eventually going to 81 to 82,000. And I think that would be a good target to start taking some profits if we do continue this going up. Of course, 100,000 is what everybody in the news and everybody in the trading community is saying, but this is what we're looking at as far as the retracement now. And 786 bounce is a pretty good bounce to take all the time. My favorite's right here, 886, between 76 and 886, but this is good. So we're bouncing back off the golden pocket. Could go back up. Of course, we have some good levels that match up with it here.
First, I think we should like fill the single prints and whatever, like would make sense.
I think we should fill that gap.
And the gap and the single prints and whatever, like everything else. And then I would look for longs, guys. Then I will go fucking big ass long, man. Fucking full
That's right.
port. I'm joking.
I done that full port.
Yeah, guys. And don't forget, like, you must like, let me show some stuff here. Guys, you must like journal everything, all your trades, everything, man. Like, look, all the TA. Yeah, look, this is some.
Oops.
Make me
Nobody
full
wants
screen.
to see me. There you go.
Yeah, look, this is strategies. This is knowledge. Knowledge is power, and without that, you ain't gonna do nothing in this trading, man. Like shit, like bro, I have notes on notes, books on books, man. Books on books, bro. Like books on pages, bro. Like, whatever. Like you must have these things, like without that, you ain't gonna succeed, man. Trust me.
That's right.
Trust me.
He is 100% right on that. Well, we have a few people left in here. A couple guys on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we're going to take a break, and we'll come back to this with our host, Dennis, later on, and Red and myself, possibly. But we'll give you just a few minutes. Let us know if you have any questions about any charts here. I know Red's gone through a lot. He just told you what he's looking for. I've told you what I'm looking for. I think that we come to an agreement there.
Yeah, we kind of have the same thing that we're looking for.
So speak or forever hold your peace. And I like crypto. I appreciate all the comments. Good conversating with you. Just search.
Well, what does he mean, speak or forever
It's
hold
a,
your peace?
I don't know, maybe it's an American saying. Just searched it. Takes a human 31,963 years to count to a trillion. That's crazy. Crazy.
Bro. Oh, Dennis is here. What up, bro?
What's up, G?
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Good. We're just getting ready to sign off.
I'm just no signing off. I'm just gonna take I'm just taking a quick break. I'm just doing a course, guys. I'm home today, but I'm just doing this course on fire knowledge for the upcoming fire season for my work.
Oh, what?
It's crazy.
Oh, on fire
about
knowledge.
fire. Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Yeah,
Did you guys know about the fire triangle?
No.
So
Like Bermuda Triangle? There's
no.
the fire triangle.
So when a fire burns, it can be there's three things to it, right? So a triangle consists of three sides, right? So there's heat, oxygen, and fuel. Fuel, like in our case, like in wildfires, is trees, obviously, right? Oxygen is oxygen, and then heat is basically like the lightning or whatever ignites it, or actual fire from it, right? If you remove any part of that triangle, any one side, if you remove oxygen, the fire extinguishes. If you remove the fuel, the fire is extinguished. So like cut out the trees in front of the fire. And obviously the oxygen is hard to remove in outside fires, but like for houses. Anyways, yeah. Unless you put like some kind of fucking dome in the future. But anyways, then there's
fucking cold. Back.
Fire consists of like, man, it's crazy. I didn't even know that. So there's like there's a head of the fire, a body of the fire, there's flanks, a finger, it looks like a mitten if you look at the fire. And then there's like spots that's from the sparks of the main fire. They can fly far and create like little spot fires. And like these mofos, like firefighters, man, they like attack it tactically, man. Like it's not just like, oh, we see a fire, we're just gonna throw water on it. There's like specific way to do it, man. I didn't know that. Well, I assumed, but I didn't know the actual way. It's a cool course.
Y'all, Crypto Ukrainian pops in here on our charts and gives us the lowdown on fire suppression. What an amazing, epic moment. By the way, speaking of that, dude, did you see that a cargo ship ran into a bridge down here in America in Maryland and collapsed the bridge and 20 people are in the water, possibly dead? Yeah, happened last night.
Where? What state?
Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland. A cargo ship.
What happened?
A cargo ship nailed one of the trusses on one of the main bridges that goes through all the water areas in Baltimore, Maryland, and it's instantly collapsed the bridge right into the water, like a big part of that bridge. And they say like 20 people were on that bridge at the time at about 1 o'clock in the morning Eastern time, and fearing that they're all dead, obviously. You guys didn't hear about that internationally yet, huh?
No.
The funny part is Americans are full of conspiracy. Yeah, the funny part is the ship ran into a bridge and collapsed the bridge. So the funny part is 7 missing. Crypto says here in America, you know, we've been indoctrinated to hate China, and this is a Chinese cargo ship, I believe. So all the conspiracy theories are going to start rolling out on TikTok and other places. Be aware of that.
Huh.
No. The only thing I saw that there was some type of celebrity that got raided, and then
P. Diddy.
Yeah,
too. He's gone. He's gone.
P. Diddy.
He's an Epstein Island, man.
Took off. He went. Yeah, that's right. They're raiding.
Probably picked up R. Kelly.
Sign up. Yeah, right. And Epstein. He he just fled the country like the minute all 3 of his houses were being raided. He got tipped off. And now,
what does he do like for a living? Is he like a musician or whatever?
Rapper.
Well, I'll tell you what he does for a living now. We're gonna change his name from P. Diddy to P. Diddler.
The guy sold his soul like 100%.
Let me show you guys this though. There's gonna be a video, I'm sure. Check this out. This is nuts. Look at this boat. Red. It's a huge cargo boat.
Oh shit! I just fucking realized it's a fucking. Oh my god! No.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Happened last night.
Take a look at this. Hold up. Don't turn that off.
Wait.
Come take a look at this.
It's this.
Did you hear what happened to the ship? In the States, a ship ran into the bridge and the whole bridge collapsed. Come check it out.
Is it
Jcast is showing. I turned the camera off.
Not ship. A fucking bridge. Is it
Okay,
pedestrian or
can you
like
start from the
normal
beginning? She's
car-
here.
Car ship.
Look.
Bridge.
There's
That's a
the
ship.
cargo ship. His
Right.
lights kept going on and off, and then he just
I see
steered
it.
right into it.
Like 20 people in the water, presumably dead.
I like Crypto
Oh,
says
make the
7
whole
are still
thing,
missing.
Like right away, like dominoes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Who builds bridges without freaking guide wires nowadays?
Well, these are old
Dude.
bridges. There's different types
Yeah.
of bridges, man. But yeah, this
That's
is
crazy, man.
this is absolutely crazy.
That's really
Just-
is an old bridge. Like they should have safety against like.
Well, I mean,
obviously,
typically-
at one
How
point
you can
at time.
So here's the thing that I heard, and I may be wrong, is any ship that size or near that size has to be escorted by a tugboat at the front and a tugboat at the back. And this one was just flying through blind with no protection. Lost power. You can see in the longer videos his lights go on and they go off and they go on and they go off, and he just takes a hard right into the thing. I don't think it was intentional. I think it was not intentional, but that's crazy. I mean, look at that thing just dropping. There's several angles of this too, from CCTV.
Wait,
to
what?
people.
Bridge for cars?
Yeah, it's for
It's
cars.
just, oh my god. There was no car. There was cars. Turn back like I don't know, 30 to 20 seconds. Do
Yeah,
you see
there's people
cars?
standing there.
Bro, like, oh my god, what you
It's a
should
very
do in this
famous bridge.
situation,
I've been across that
Not
bridge a
every
couple
bridge is full.
times.
20 people are dead
Oh, they did.
already.
They
Well,
were
yeah,
there?
they're there. Like they can't be
I
there for that
believe
long.
bridge
What
built
you would do in this
1970,
situation, man?
Ship had engine
Hypothetically.
failure. Yeah. Well, you just try to rescue people. I mean, what else can you do?
but like, what if you like was standing on a bridge? I mean, like, what do you do, man?
You
If see
pray.
this fucking-
If you believe in anything, you pray at that point.
Yo,
Yeah,
guys,
I guess. Yeah.
Let me just show you something really quick on GAN here. So yesterday I was a little bit unsure of a direction. Here in 32 minutes we formed a definite pivot point 3. We're on to our main target. We've hit it before, but we rejected. Now we're determined to go at it again. Pivot point 5 on the 2 minute here. Hit turning point 128. We got to get out of kill zone. But this is a pivot point 1 because we did 100% time here, and look at that, 100% time, and we hit a high. We also in a new quadrant, obviously a new cycle. We have to start with a high. We started going down. We got our initial impulse here. On a 512 again, I thought we were at pivot point 6, but timing doesn't make sense. We did go above 45, but there's a big chance that we can actually crash through 45 back down. We have another day of a day to 7 days even, but mostly a day because if you look at Bursa circles, we have to. The biggest cluster of turning point 6 is here at 40% at 40 time, and here. So like anywhere from a day to, like I said, 5 days. The turning point 5 to 6 is still valid, and 248. It did give us kind of a scare here. We're still in a kill zone, but we did get rejected off not even a 45-degree angle. We couldn't even break the 1-2 angle. And I just want to see. So if this price keeps climbing down, and we hit 62, 60, even if we hit second double arc, even if it's not our main target, the 65,808, 65,808 here is well through the double arc 1 on the way to double arc 2 here on a 248. It does still look bearish. It was a big scare yesterday. I thought we were going to hit an all-time high. Anything is still possible, though. Like I said, we do have, anywhere from 1 to 5, 6 days for it possibly to switch up. But everything is still on track. I mean, the short is still long. We didn't break it. I mean, the short is still on, not long. The short is still on. Nothing got broken. I don't know what else to say. Like, we'll see how the turning point 4 will react. If turning point 4 is very, very bullish, we might start going up again. But so far, look at this negative volume. These are 30-minute candles that are red. All right, this is a big test green candle here that touched this, and now we're when Bitcoin. This is a common pattern for Bitcoin. Bitcoin does this big wick down, climbs back up, and you think, oh, the price got rejected, we're going back up, but then it slowly retakes this.
Fills the wick.
Yeah, fills the wick, and most of the time doesn't just fill it, but it breaks the test when the volume is like this. Like, look at this. Volume is insane. So first main target on pivot point 5 on a 2-minute chart, if we take a look at here, would be right here, 69,294. We're almost hit it, right on time. Look at this. I set this timer a while ago when the pivot point 5 started. Should be hitting it right on time. Maybe a little bit late, but come on. How much? I can't predict it to a second. We can't predict it to a second, but we can have a general idea when it's headed. I'm having hard time on the 8-minute. It looks a little choppy on the 8-minute here. We'll see what happens. If this is an 8, which is supposed to be an 8, yeah, the timing makes sense. Then this could have been already a 9. We'll let it develop a little bit, but this is a definite move on a 32. That's for sure. Pivot point 4 should come in somewhere in the middle, mostly in the middle, a little bit to the left of the middle of quadrant 2. So yeah,
But
got
change your
12
chart
hours.
to black, man. It's
12. Everyone asks for it to be white because they can't
okay.
see it well on TikTok.
By
They
popular
can't see the numbers well on
demand,
TikTok.
it is white.
Yeah, I mean, I'll if I get new info, way more people will ask me for a black, I'll change it. But I think I asked them. Yeah. GAN is like, I think, the only exception where I will run a white chart. You know, all of my other charts are black, but I don't know. Just looks better, I guess. I don't know. I did have to turn on my screen brightness though, because this shit was blinding me. It's like a flashbang in Counter-Strike.
Crazy.
Yeah. Again, 128. Got to get out of that kill zone. We started having initial impulse. I like to see usually, anywhere from 5 to 8 candles. We got four red candles already. That's a very good sign.
Yeah, it's everything is everything is going by the plan. Like what I can say.
Yeah,
The plan
it is a
the
big.
plan is-
This was a big scare. Like my 512 scared the crap out of me yesterday.
This is 45-degree angle trend, right? So we kind of broke it, and it's
Yeah, that's what scared me.
kinda-
We broke 45, and that's why it has to become bullish. But this red candle is giving me a lot of hope.
No, we're gonna retrace to single prints, and then we're gonna go up.
Well, we gotta take this. Look, we have so much time on to form a low on a. If this is a 9, we have anywhere from 1 month to 2 months of downturn, and we're gonna see sub 50 levels. We just gotta solidify this position more, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be a 1.5 months of downturn. April is gonna be red. Coming into April is going to be red. We have exactly what I said. We need 5 more days to solidify this. In 5 days is going to be April 1, and then if we solidify 9, we have 1 to 2 months of downtrend, and then we'll revisit it obviously. But so far, so good. Unless the 4 changes and goes up like crazy, I don't see it switching to bullish. To be honest with you.
Turn on your
We'll
camera, Dennis.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. Yo, you guys should show that video, JCast, of the theater.
No.
The theater?
Yeah, what the heck happened? I still haven't seen it. The theater where people ran in and shot a bunch
Oh
of
no,
people.
I'm not going to show that on here. No,
No,
that's
YouTube, no.
You can't,
That's
eh?
very,
fucked up.
no, that's very
fucked up.
graphic.
What
I don't
about the
recommend
some
these.
news stuff? Not actually showing the footage of them cutting ears off and stuff.
No, just Google it, man.
Yeah,
Right,
I think we should keep that off of the stream. The the other
I don't
news
want
was,
to get shut up, man.
that I like talking about is P Diddy, but Tesla. As far as the financial world, Tesla keeps dropping, and I wonder. I haven't looked at Tesla in a while, but I wonder what's going on over there at Tesla. Do you keep up with that at all?
I know what's happening.
What's happening?
We're coming into year 2025, not like 2025, but yeah, like it's about some numerology shit. Short Tesla, that short everything, like what's paid, like what Elon is doing, like short short SpaceX, short everything.
Short everything. Not financial
short everything.
advice.
Or
Just
the
do
thing,
it.
Yeah, just do it. Like, think later, but it might play out like really, really aggressively in 2025. So, because then Elon is in his enemy year.
Alrighty. So you're big into rap. I know. You don't know who P. Diddy is, huh?
Bro, like, nah.
I think
Wait.
I think he
Wait,
has
let me
something to
check
do with probably every song that you listen to as far
He-
as a producer.
Did you wait? Let me
It's Puff Daddy.
check it out. Maybe I know him. Maybe I don't. Like, wait. Let me listen to his music real quick.
I don't think it's his music you listen to. It's the music you listen to. I think he has something to do with. He has something to do
Is he
with like,
producer?
yeah. Oh yeah. Big time.
Oh, okay. All right, so yeah, I might know the collabs he went on, but I don't know him exactly as a producer. I know Metro Boomin, man. Metro Boomin is a fucking goat, man. And Scott
I just think it's
Storch.
funny that they rated. He got rated from coast to coast, from California to Miami, or wherever he is in Florida, simultaneously, and then he flew from Los Angeles across the United States down to the Caribbeans, and now probably going somewhere else where they don't have extradition laws, because he is definitely being charged with drugging people, molesting people, young people, older people. I mean, it's potentially a very disgusting things that he's been doing that he's getting busted for, and he's got the money to just leave and never be found again, which is crazy.
Yep, guys, money is power. Power is money. Lack of any of these, Matrix gonna get you, man.
That's right. All right, I'm gonna sign off, dude. I'm gonna be back on later
When?
something happens. Probably a couple hours. Whenever if we get some movement, we'll come back. I'll come back
probably
on here.
same. I think I'm already live for 2 hours. So, what about you, Dennis? Will you planning to stay around? Motherfucker is gone, man.
Yeah, he's gone. Okay, I'm gonna shut it down. Everybody,
Yeah,
thanks
shut it
for,
down. Yeah, we gonna come back. Oh, Dennis.
Yeah.
Dennis. Yeah, are you? Will you stay tuned?
Not
Are
if
you
you
gonna
guys are
leave?
not. No.
No, let's close this down. Let's get back on later when we get some movement in the market. Nothing's happening right
this
now.
market sucks at the moment.
Sounds good.
All
All right, guys.
right.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Dinero y me monta en la ruta.
Dímelo, yo.
Par de gatilleros y huele a gran puta.